Bye, honey. Have a good day at work.
Bye. Stay away from the nursery.
Hello, everyone. I am taking the day off of work and I am headed up to Elk Grove to Green Acres Nursery. Now, I've had a stressful week at work negotiating some tough deals for my clients, so I deserve a day off. And I may be in a little trouble for buying more plants, but that's all right. You know what? It's not like I'm out spending money on jewelry and clothing. I am increasing the value of my home and the desirability. So come along for the ride. Yes, I'm sneaking off to go buy plants at the nursery. And if you knew my husband, you would know that he has a love-hate relationship with the nurseries. He hates for me to spend money, but he loves how the garden looks afterwards. Here are a few tips to consider when shopping for your garden. Tip number 1, buy less garden trinkets. Somehow, these adorable little garden accessories trick us into buying them. It's happened to me quite often. Now I'm inclined to decorate my garden with minimal trinkets. I do have knickknacks and I use them in certain areas to brighten up the dark corners of my garden. If used correctly, garden decor can add beauty and character to your landscape year after year. I now focus less on trinkets and more on lighting, arbors, bird baths, benches, planters, and water features. These items are timeless garden basics that never go out of style. Tip number 2. Buy less annuals and purchase more perennial plants. When I first began gardening, I mostly purchased a lot of annual plants. As time passed, I learned that buying perennials would save me money and the plants grow back year after year. My husband is just about ready to arrive home from work, and I'm going to get his reaction to all the plants that I bought today. And here he comes. He's about ready to pull in the driveway. I can't let him see me. He's back again. Hi, honey. We have some planting to do this weekend.
I see.
I'll let you know later if I'm in trouble. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.